Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, customer support platforms need to be fast, affordable, and easy to use. Freshworks Support Suite is often seen as strong Zendesk alternative. Let's break it down. Freshworks Support Suite combines ticketing, live chat, bots, and omni-channel support in one platform. Teams can manage customer issues across email, chat, phone, and social media while using automation and AI to respond faster. Its clean interface, flexible pricing, and quick setup, making it ideal for growing teams that want powerful support without enterprise-level complexity. Freshworks Support Suite helps businesses deliver efficient and consistent customer support. If you're looking for a Zendesk alternative in 2025, Freshworks Support Suite offers simplicity, automation, and strong value. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.